What do you want with those papers?
Why, I aim to use them to continue important work that a man's tragic death put on hold. Alexander was studying the Catriona plague. I'll use his notes to produce medication, perhaps a cure, or at least a vaccine.
Strictly humanitarian motivations, is that it?
No, strictly selfish ones. The mighty would pay willingly for such a remedy. Can you imagine how much? Take Radovid, for instance. Why, he might even consider forgetting my past associations with the Lodge.
Radovid doesn't forget, and Radovid doesn't forgive, especially when it comes to sorceresses.
He'll make an exception for me. He'll have to. I have something he wants.
Please, you don't believe that.
Well, you believe Yennefer will stop treating you like a dog someday. Don't see me laughing. I'm going to see Radovid, tell him of this research, whether you like it or not.
This is suicide, Kira. You'll wind up tied to a stake, burned to bolster the morals of the masses while entertaining them.
Shut up for a moment and look at me. See this? Bedbugs, Geralt. Bloody bedbugs. I, Kira Metz, advisor to Foltest, a member of the Lodge of Sorceresses, have bedbugs. Think what you will, but I'll not stay in this bloody swamp one day more. Not one day. I shall cross the Pontar, and that means Radovid's men will find me sooner or later. Don't you understand? I don't have a choice. I will have to parley.
Got another option. Go to Kaer Morhen.
You believe I'd be safe there?
Long as you don't piss Lambert off, yes. Emir, Radovid, neither will be able to reach you. Find little in the way of luxury there, but we do have clean sheets.
It's a long way, well beyond the dividing line. But if I keep to the woods until I reach the Kestrel Mountains, I should pass through unnoticed. So be it. Seems I find it hard to refuse you, handsome. You've clearly a notion of what women want, how they think.
Yeah, kinda. So before I go, I'll need you to hand me those notes.
All right, take them already. Farewell, Geralt. Or rather, see you soon.
Two birds with one stone. Sweet. Wait, what's this?
Wonder what led them here. Hunger or greed.
Alright, let's make a hard save. Kappa. Kappa that. Okay. Wow, I've done quite a few quests so far. Holy crap. Only failed 2? Treasure hunt. Level 29? there. Oh crap. He comes from anywhere. It's ridiculous. Magical horse. Really? Can't get up there? How can you not get up there? Okay, that was quite weird. Maybe, baby. Oh my god.
Giddy up.
Oh, quest.
Gotta go to the woods again. Weren't it recent you went to see
The
them?
Witcher 3 solid hunt.
What is it?
Oh dear.
Stars. We'll find out soon as we make their outfit.
Let's go.
I asked her, how do I
Take it
Solid
easy.
Witcher hunting gear.
We catch something an amulet, says it'll quench his thirst. And? Did it? Next, he traded it for a jug of punch.
What did I miss since my last moment in chat? Not too much. I did a couple of quests.
Giddy up.
Yeah, there's a couple of loot scenes.
Hey,
Indeed, dreamy.
Please don't kill us.
Get him! Bloody hell! Stop walking into his soul!
Oh, bye-bye head. Okay. I have no idea if that was him or the horse.
Shit.
Oh. I don't remember where I saved it. Okay, I can deal with that. Man, those trees people up. No, I definitely made sure I quick saved it. But I did it.
Ghoul nest. Ought to just destroy it.
Ouch, that hiccup hurt. Indeed, GG. Okay. Let's get back to this horse. Wait. Nealon. So did Sempy ever find out what that scream was? Yes. I ended up dying and I went back there, dude, inside the hut, and she had turned into a paston or pester, something like that, and killed the guy.